Day 173 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem. Let me know how y'all feeling today in the comments, y'all. Hope y'all are feeling refreshed, and I hope y'all are still consistent and still staying disciplined. And I really hope y'all are still motivated. But we know that's not guaranteed. Everybody's not going to be motivated all the time, but that's why we're going to stay disciplined and consistent even when we're not motivated, so we can still reach our goals and accomplish our wildest dreams, whatever they may be, if they're programming related, because we're going to be doing these LeetCode problems every day. So before we get started, y'all, don't forget, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. And then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we could push this content out to a broader audience, y'all. As Swift community members, it's up to us to help the community to grow and do what we need to do to help grow the community. And one way we could do that is to share this content with as many people as we can find that will watch it, y'all. So your support is appreciated when it comes to that. Now let's get into the question. And today we have question number 961, and repeated element in size 2 in array. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, because we're all here at different levels of our programming journey. So we want to create a solution that everybody will understand at the end of this video, no matter where they are on their programming journey, y'all. So let's see what the question says. It says you are given an integer array nums with the following properties. Nums.length is equal to 2 times n. Nums contains n plus 1 unique elements, and exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. Return the element that is repeated n times. So let's break that down. So first it lets us know that nums.length is equal to 2 times n. So we know n is going to be n divided by 2. That'll give us n. Or let's say y divided by 2 equals n, whatever that may be, right? Excuse me, not n divided by 2, but y divided by 2 equals n, or x divided by 2. Let me show you. I could show you better than I could tell you. You know what I'm saying? So we have that. Let's look at the examples. In the examples, we have input nums equals an array of integers 1, 2, 3, and 3. So we know the nums.length is 2 times n. So we take all of this. This has 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide that by 2. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, so we know n equals 2. So then let's look right here. It says nums contains n plus 1 unique elements. So unique element is the element, which element it is, but not duplicates. So we can erase all the duplicates, and what's ever left, that is going to be the unique element. So in this case, the unique elements are 1, 2, and 3. Now there's another 3, but remember we want the unique elements, so we're just counting the unique numbers. If there's duplicates, we're not counting the duplicates. We just want to know which numbers are current that we're using. And in this case, the unique elements are 1, 2, and 3, and that fits this requirement like it said it would. Nums contains n plus 1 unique characters. This lets us know n equals 2 because 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. Nums contains n plus 1 unique elements. That would be 2 plus 1 unique elements. We have the 3 unique elements right here, 1, 2, and 3. And then finally, but certainly not least, exactly one of nums is repeated n times. So in this case, the 3 is repeated n times because n equals 2. Remember, we divide the whole thing by 2, and that equals 2 in this case. So exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. In this case, it's 3 because n equals 2. And then it says return the element that is repeated n times. In this case, it's 3 because n equals 2, and there's 2 3s right here. So that's why the output is 3. So let's look at example 2. We'll go through this one a little bit quicker, but it's still the same thing, because basically we just want to return the element that is repeated n times. So we have example 2, we have input nums an array of integers 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, right? The output is 2. The output is 2 because, so let's count how many elements there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. We know we got to find n. We have to divide 6 by 2 to get n. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then we have to find return the element that is repeated n times. So we have to find the element that is repeated 3 times in example 2, which is 1. Which is 2, which is there's 1, 2 right here. The second 2 is right here, and the third 2 is right here. So 2 is repeated n times because n in this scenario is 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. So n equals 3. There are 3 2's in this array. That's why the output is 2. So let's look at example 3. Example 3, last example before we get started on the code. Let's see. Nums equals an array of integers 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. The output is 5, and that is because, let's see, so let's count the elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 elements. We divide that by 2, that gives us 4. So n equals 4. We want to find which element is shows up or is repeated 4 times. So we have 1 5 here, the second 5 here, the third 5 here, and the fourth 5 here. That's why the output is 5, because there are n 5's in this array, and then which is 4. So now that we understand the question, let's get into the code. Let's get started, y'all. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to say, and it's not even that difficult. We're going to declare a variable, say set nums equals set, open up the less than bracket, we're going to say int, greater than bracket, then we're going to say initialize it with 2 parentheses. Then we're going to come down here and we are going to say for num and num, open up the brackets, we're going to say if set nums, which is what we just created up here, if set nums dot contains, open up the parentheses, num, we are going to return, open up the brackets, y'all, we're going to open up the brackets here first, and we're going to say return num. So what this right here is going to do is it's going to create a set out of the nums array, right? And that's what a set is. It's going to basically it's going to get rid of all the duplicates. So if we turn this array into a set, the set would just contain 1, 2, 3, just the unique values. That's how we get the unique elements, by turning it into a set. So we get the 1, 2, 3, and it would leave out the extra 3 right there. So that's what it's doing when we create a set. Then we say if that set contains num, then we're going to return num. Then we're going to come down right here and we are going to say set nums dot insert, open up the parentheses, num. So then we're going to return then we're going to insert num into set. Then we're going to come outside of that. We're going to come down here. If all else fails, our default value, we're going to say return 0, y'all. And that should be all she wrote. Let's see what happens when we run it. Let's see. Let's see. See what's going on here. It says has no member insert. Sorry, y'all. Should be an insert, not insert. So let's see. And there it is, y'all. So let's submit it and see if it's still submitted after it's been accepted, because you know how this LeetCode stuff does. And look at that, y'all. 3 milliseconds beats 82.69% of users with Swift, y'all. That's not too bad at all. And I hope y'all learned something today. And I also hope to see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.